Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add profile picture on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon is a global technology company known primarily as the world's largest online retailer, but it also provides a vast array of services including cloud computing, Amazon Web Services, digital streaming, Prime Video, Amazon Music, artificial intelligence, and the digital content. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create Amazon account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to add profile picture to your account? You don't know how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Amazon. You can open it on your on your Amazon apps on the mobile, or you can open on the Amazon website on your laptop or your computer. Here's I'm using my laptop to open with the Amazon website. You can log it into your account. After that, from here you can choose on here. You can choose on manage profile. Click on manage profile. So here's my profile. You can select on view. So as you can see in here, I don't have profile picture on my account. Now you can edit. You can click on like pencil icon in here. There is an option change profile photo. You can just select on that. You can choose on the photo that you want to set as your profile picture. This one for the example. Choose on open. Now you have add this profile picture on your Amazon account. Now click on continue. And that is. Now you have profile picture on your Amazon account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add profile picture on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.